Here we are. Roses grown from seed. Look at them. They're huge now. This is over a foot. This one's more of a bush kind of rose. Look at that. And this one was a really beautiful hot pink kind of rose. But this has been the most success that I've had growing these from seed. This is well over a year in the making now, and it can be done, but it is a very slow process. So there you have it. Roses grown from seed. This is kind of a two-tone rose. Let's see if there's any smell. Can't smell anything just yet. And I do have another on the other side that I'm going to show you. So it is hybridizing roses is a very slow process. But this is well established now, and when it gets cooler, I will separate them and put them in their own pots or in the ground. These are some more roses grown from seed. This is a beautiful pink rose. Some haven't flowered yet, like these two down here. And this poor little one that's in a small pot, I need to put in a bigger one because it's drying out a lot quicker. So it can be done with some time, some effort, and just figuring out the right environment that you live in. This has been a complete success. Believe me, I've had plenty of times that I've failed, and this time it's worked.